You are aware that central government employees in a block of 4 years, in this case we are taking the instant case which is between 2017-18, 18-19, 19-20 and 20-21, 4-year block in which employees normally would have gone or would have availed of one, leave travel to any destination of their choice, or one, leave travel concession or leave travel to any destination of their choice plus one to their hometown. Otherwise, if they didn't choose a leave travel to any one destination of their choice, they would go 2 times to their native village. So one, travel to a destination of their choice, or 2, travel to their native place. Sometimes it could be 1 plus 1, 1 of their choice and 1 to their native place, or 2 to their native place, which means air or rail fare as per their scale of pay, entitlement and so on is reimbursed to them. And in addition to that, when they take the leave travel, they also get 10 days of leave encashment for that. The leave encashment has a tax component, they pay tax on it, whereas the LTC, which is the travel fare, is tax exempt. In the scheme that we are coming up with now, all this remains the same. Where the taxation was levied on 10 days of their leave concession, that will still be levied. But on the airfare travel, it will not be levied. But can they travel now? They can't because of COVID. Many of them don't want to. So instead what we are offering is, they could have that money is given to them, for which we have had about 3 kinds of slabs created, and based on that 3 slabs, which is as per the government rules and procedures, they could spend that money in buying something of their choice. So the amount which is given to them as per their government rules, their rank, their position, their whatever, is now brought to 3 different slabs, and they are flat rate slabs, which is equivalent to the travel ticket, the round ticket that they would get, and that which will continue to be tax free will have to be spent on items which have 12% or more GST tax levied on them. So you won't be buying those items of food, essentials like which are in 5% slab, but you will spend them on items which have 12% or more GST. You won't just spend that amount, you will spend 3 times that amount. So this comes as an advance for you, and you spend 3 times more on items which are 12% or more in GST taxation. And even more, you will spend them only in a digital mode, no cash transactions, and you will spend them only on GST registered places which sell such goods or provide such service. And therefore, a GST invoice will be required, and they will be reimbursed. So otherwise, the LTC ticket fare component, which is now divided into 3 flat rates per person that you normally take, will have to be taken, and you spend 3 times that amount to benefit from this scheme. Whereas you leave travel, on which there is a tax component which continues, which is not a new tax, that if you spend just 1 time, that will be sufficient. All this has to be done, meaning you will have to spend it all by 31st March 2021. So this is the first one on the leave travel. I'll go to the next one afterwards, after the Hindi, which is the festival advance. But now the LTC and related leave leave encashment will be said in Hindi by Anurag ji.
धन्यवाद